Well, as you can see, folks, the snow here has covered the entire bottom step, and I can't even get down the driveway. How about you, Mr. Harvey? How much snow did you get? Well, I guess, folks, I'm gonna have to use a snow shovel here just to get down into my driveway because I can't get in the driveway. This is in the aftermath of the storm that hit our area last night. And just look at how much snow we got. That street light is, it's buried halfway up to the top of that pole for our outside light. Look at that. Wow. Hi. Hey, what's up? Good, how are you? Yep. See, our driveway has about 4 feet of snow in it. Look at this, folks. This is the worst snowstorm we've had in several years. Holy cow. I'm gonna need a shovel just to get in the drive.